सैफ अली खान और जयदीप अहलावाद स्टारर फिल्म ज्वेल थीफ का ट्रेलर रिलीज हो गया है। वहीं ट्रेलर लॉन्च इवेंट के दौरान सैफ और जयदीप के अलावा फिल्म की पूरी टीम मौजूद रही और इस दौरान उन्होंने खूब मजाक मस्ती भी की। वहीं जब इवेंट के दौरान पत्रकारों ने जयदीप से पूछा कि वह सैफ से क्या चुराना चाहेंगे, तो जयदीप ने मजाकिया अंदाज में जवाब देते हुए कहा कि वे उनके पटौदी पैलेस को चुराना चाहेंगे। वही ऐसा जवाब सुनते ही सैफ भी हंस पड़े। तो चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं ट्रेलर लॉन्च का ये वायरल वीडियो।
इनसे क्या आप चुराना चाहते हैं?
आप सीरियसली पूछने लगे?
अरे नहीं, आपने बोला आप
हरियाणा में एक प्रॉपर्टी है पटौदी पैलेस। अच्छी है, मैंने देखी है, बहुत कमाल की है।
ठीक है।
या सिद्धार्थ सर अच्छा नहीं आपसे हाँ, निकिता से उसकी एक्चुअली बहुत एनर्जेटिक है वो। शी इज ऑलवेज हैप्पी। I sometimes envy that. Like she's always charming, happy zone, and yes, let's do something.
See, that's how you appreciate a laugh.
Yeah. So I
the right
kind of
way.
think how
just
come
joking,
she's
yeah.
so enigmatic every single day, every single time. And by of course the fitness, the voice, everything. Yeah, looks great. Thank you.
Now this dream is spectacular. It looks fit. आपको भी Netflix का सब्सक्रिप्शन देना पड़ता है या आपको फ्री मिल रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे भी देना पड़ता है।
आपको देना पड़ता है? अच्छा, I was
499 or something.
मैं तो
That's lesser. It's more expensive.
He gets a discount?
I get a discount. As the
Actually, even I pay more.
It's not the number.
I pay
it's
more.
the value
Yeah.
for money.
नहीं वैल्यू है, पूरी है वो तो। मेरे को लगा था कि अब तक तो जयदीप जी और सैफ को तो अकाउंट परमानेंटली फ्री दे दिया होगा, नहीं ऐसा?
No amazing.
फिर ठीक है,
the
फिर
word
ठीक है,
I've
फिर
Everybody pays.
everybody pays. Then it's fine. So I just wanted
Some
to,
people pay less, Seth. I mean, just you're paying a little more.
but Saif sir, I just want to check with you, because you, as I said, you've been ahead of the curve. Could you share with us, when you see things around, what are the Gen Z trends which you think will now?
Also, your earlier question, if a friend owns a restaurant, I don't like going there for free meals. I think friends should pay, and I don't like taking advantage of things like that. So.
मैं कल से तेरे साथ पासवर्ड शेयर नहीं करूंगा अपना, बस.
What about Gen Z?
So I wanted to know, I just wanted to know, you've got young kids. क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है सर? कुछ है अंदाजा कि क्या हो रहा है Gen Z की दुनिया में?
नहीं, I don't know, Hopefully the makers know. Hopefully the platform knows. We're actors. When we get an offer, hopefully it comes from a space where people have done a little thinking about what kind of films they should be made. And we're lucky, we get lots of different types of offers. And hopefully the offer is based on some kind of knowledge.
Fair enough.
I think producers should know this, even more than actors. And yeah, I mean, I am in touch with, but it's very difficult to predict trends. I think if you follow yourself, right, if you do something you really believe, I'll tell you about clothes, for example. I feel I've had a sense of fashion because it's what I believe in my heart. So I think if you strongly feel something, then chances are people will agree with you. But if you try and imagine what somebody else would want, you'll fail because it's impossible to do that. But since we're all quite similar, if you really try and please yourself, and hopefully a lot of people will agree with you. Does that answer your question?
It does, sir. It does. And I have to, because you spoke about fashion, I think you've been very timely. सिद्धार्थ सर, आपसे पूछा था कि आप तो सैफ सर के साथ काफ़ी समय से काम करते हैं. तारा रामपम, सलाम नमस्ते. And now,
Grown inches.
has anything changed in him? Be honest.
He's.
So it's not the first time we've been asked this question. So we're.
But I want to give an insight. He's grown, wider and taller. Yeah, those are the only two adjectives.
Emotionally or?
Physically, yeah.
Physically, as you can see.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
नहीं और भी कुछ चीजें बताएं सर.
Grown inches.
Saif same है यार. I think he is lovable. He is somebody who's a darling on set. He makes everybody comfortable. And I'm glad कि जो भी change हुआ ये quality change नहीं हुई है. He makes everybody really comfortable, eases out everybody. Sometimes his jokes scare some people. His sense of humor is such, but he's amazing, and that's something that he shouldn't change.
So
But,
you said not much has changed. Can I humbly ask you, what is that one thing you would like to change in him?
should I say it? That he should be on time.
Yeah, was that on time?
सर आज तो सबसे पहले आए हुए थे.
No,
Tell us.
I think he has changed it, if I may.
Why?
I mean, he was mostly
Which
on,
shooting day he changed?
Because,
Huh?
because I am. What?
You're on time. That's what I'm saying. He's kind of changed. Maybe you let us have. Really, I have to give it. Being honesty on stage.
Thank you.
एडिट कर देना ये वाला.
Professional. Thank you, buddy. Bless you all, my children.
His children, please stand up in the crowd.
No,
नहीं नहीं
वो देख.
नहीं नहीं.
Yay!
Oh, 2 बच्चे हैं.
Control.
All cheerers, pick up your checks outside the front door.